Okay. So, good evening, everyone. Today I will be explaining about calendar, how to create a appointment. So, for this, from the nine dots, you can open the calendar, then click on the plus sign, go for appointment schedule. So, you can see by default it is open. One more is this PTM created by Smita Jain, it is selected here. Now, I have to add a title. I am adding PTM. Appointment is for 30 minutes. Okay. Then repeat weekly. Okay. So I will be taking this because I have to schedule the slots also. So I will be taking a 1 hour schedule. So it is from 1 hour. It is for a 1 hour. So within 1 hour, I will be selecting the schedule and it is there. So I will keep a buffer time of, you can see here buffer time. I'm not getting right now here. Let me check. Uh, Add a period. Monday, I want 4 slots. If 9 a.m. to 9:30, kept one slot. Okay. Then second slot, it's from 9:30 to 10. So I will be keeping 2 slots only of 1 hour. So duration is there and that is going to repeat. Let me see. It is from 23rd. Repeat every 2 week. I want every week to be repeated. Never ends. So it will end on, I will give a specific date. So it should end August 14, starting from 23rd July today. So make it tomorrow. Done. Occurrence is made. Now I have done it. If I want to duplicate the time to all, so it is duplicated here for everyone. 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. 1 hour appointment is there. So I think 1.5 hour. It is said appointment duration is longer than the time range. It is saying it is longer. 9 to 10, it's 1 hour. Uh, so make it half an hour. That was the duration actually. And then schedule a window, start and end date already I have given. It is given here, done. Then maximum time in advance the appointment can be booked. You can, 60 days it is written, you can reduce it, write 10 days. Then 4 hours can be appointment start, it can be booked. That also you can change 2 hours. Then adjust the availability, date the change in time. If you want to change it, you can do it. Book appointment setting, buffer time you want to keep of 10 minutes. So you can make it 10, 10. Okay. Then maximum booking per day. I want at least 4 bookings in a day. Guests can invite others. No. Calendar. I'm using Smita calendar. After that, co-host, if you want to keep anyone, you can keep it. I don't want to keep any subject teacher as a co-host. Save. Now, after saving, my calendar was having my pick here. So it is taking that. Location, how you want to meet. I want to meet Google video conferencing. It's going to be online. So the meeting link will be generated when somebody books the meeting. Okay. Bring your almanac. I have to write a description here. Dear parents, Bring your almanac, bring your child's almanac, sorry, words, almanac during, yeah, on the day of meeting. On the day of meeting. Booking form. This is when they get the booking slots, they can write first name, last name, email address. You can add phone number also as a required field so that you can call them in case they are not appearing for the meeting. Is there any other subject teachers they want to meet? So it's a teachers column. They are coming for subject meet. So it is also a required item. So after this booking confirmation reminder, you want them to send a reminder through email one day before the PTM. Then add another reminder. Yes, in the morning also they get a reminder. 1 hour before they get the reminder so that they have to reach the school and save it. When you save it, you will get a shareable link here. See, you can see everything is there with the code. Now I am getting a shareable link. I will copy this shareable link from here. Done. I am moving to my new window and I am pasting it. Wait, let me open it here only so that it is visible to you all. Okay. Hmm, wait a minute. The second account. So this is the appointment page. When you click the link on the browser, the shareable link which I told you, and book the slot from here, filling the phone numbers. I said 79. Okay. To whom you want to meet, the name of the teacher, XYZ, and book. So the appointment slot is booked, close, and you will find this in your mail here. See, appointment is booked. You will find it here in your mail. You can check it. This is how the appointment schedule is done. Thank you.